Okay, I'm going to link 6 hexagons together now. No, I'm not. I'm going to link 6 trefoils together in a hexagon. And first thing I need to do is to draw a hexagon, believe it or not. So in order to draw a hexagon, we need to first of all draw a line and a circle. And if the line goes horizontally, you will have a hexagon with the flat side at the top. If you draw the line vertically, you will have the point at the top. So I'm going to do a vertical one simply because I like the point being at the top. So here's a line. Okay. Put my compass point on the line and draw a circle. Alright, circle on a line. Now, without changing your compass is now open obviously to the radius of that circle. So without changing your compasses, in order to make a hexagon, the radius of the circle goes in 6 times. So if we put our compass point there and make an arc either side, and then put our compass point there and make an arc either side, you find that distance is the same. You can always step it round, but if you do it this way, you save what's called cumulative error, which is little tiny mistakes adding up over a distance. So there's my ready to build my hexagon, and we simply join these points together. Like this. And when we've done this, we will draw the diagonals as well. So there's your hexagon, and now if we draw the diagonals here, we now have 6 equilateral triangles. Yeah. So I'm just going to cut, because what I want to do now is to make these. I don't want to draw the equilateral triangles, the trefoils, exactly butting up against each other. I want to give them a little bit of space. So that'll take me a bit of time to do, and I'm trying to keep these to 5 minutes, but I mean, forget it. All I've done is put a little bit of distance on each side of the diagonals, just to give me a bit of space so that the trefoil can has a bit of breathing room. So what I'm going to do now is to draw a trefoil, and I'll draw one and then I'll cut again, and I'll get my magic fairy to do the rest. So there's one side. Don't forget to, when you do this curve, to make it merge nicely down like this into the straight line. I could do this with drawing instruments as well, of course. Maybe I will, I don't know, I'll see. If I get time, I might. And then doubling up now. keeping it even and as parallel as you can. I mean, obviously it won't be as accurate as the geometric version, but in a way, I don't know which I like best actually. In a way, the freehand ones are more spirited, but no, I'm going to get my magic fairy to do the rest of them. Okay, she's just done that for me now, and I've rubbed out the center because I want it to be clear how we link the centers together. And this is what we do. We take the apex of a trefoil and we just bring it round nice and gently to go into there, like that. Can you see that? And also the inner one is going over nice and gently into there. And you just continue that all the way around, which I'm going to do now. Shall I cut or shall I just get the fairy to do it? I'll just do it. I'm just thinking about the length of these videos. I can't have them being too long, otherwise you'll get bored. So there they are, linked in the middle. Actually, could have been a bit. Never mind. So we're now thinking about. I'm just trying to find my other rubber, but I can't find it. It's not in an obvious place, typically. So what we do now is to say to ourselves, right, this stroke goes over that stroke there. Okay, so therefore this stroke goes over that stroke there. Yeah, and all the way around. This stroke goes over that stroke. This stroke goes over that stroke, and this one goes over here. It's a little bit wider than the others, I think, and then this one goes over here. And once you've got that, then all you have to do is say that's gone over that one, so it's got to go under this one, then over that one, and under that one. Can you see? So over, under, and follow that through on all 6 of them. So I'm going to cut now and get the fairy to finish it. Ding! So there you are, unders and overs, and a bit of shading around the edges. I think always helps to bring it to life, and I've rubbed out a few of the guidelines. So, you know, fairly crudely, that's the 6 linked trefoils, and you can obviously colour it up as much as you like. You can do others, you can do whole groups of them and link them together, but it's a bit beyond the scope of these videos to go into that simply because of the length of it. So there we are, 6 linked trefoils.